Here we have a couple of high school students who are about to have their minds blown by osmosis.
Good morning, class. Welcome back. Today we are going to be learning about osmosis. Now, can anyone tell me what osmosis is? No. Nobody did the reading? All right. Osmosis is the spontaneous net movement of solvent molecules through a semi-permeable membrane into a region of higher solute concentration in the direction that tends to equalize the solute concentrations on the two sides. Very clear, right? No? All right. To demonstrate the concept, we are going to watch a short video.
Although water molecules are polar, they are small enough to pass through the membrane freely. This special case of diffusion that involves the movement of water molecules across a membrane is called osmosis. If a molecule, such as urea, is added to one side of a membrane, it will not be able to diffuse across the membrane because it is both large and polar. Because of its polar nature, it will interact with other polar molecules such as the water. This interaction reduces the number of free water molecules on the right-hand side. With fewer free water molecules on the right-hand side, there is now a net movement of water molecules down their concentration gradient to the side with the urea molecules. Because more water molecules are moving into this area than are leaving, the water level on the right side will rise. And the solutions have unequal osmotic concentrations, the solution with the higher concentration of solutes is hypertonic, and the solution with the lower concentration of solutes is hypotonic.
So did that clear it up for everyone? A little better? There's mud? No. Well, here's a little simpler explanation. Osmosis happens when a solvent flows from one side of the membrane to the other side of the membrane, where the one side has more of the solvent than the other side. So these would be going that way. Clear as mud, that's better. All right, so everybody stand up. We're gonna do a little demonstration here. All right. So U3 will be the hypertonic side. This right here will be the semi-permeable membrane. And Reynolds over here will be the hypotonic side.
It's lonely on this side of the membrane.
Now, how do we think you could fix that?
I'll spontaneously join you.
Now we're all equal! See, osmosis isn't hard to understand after all.